Hello everyone, my name is Deland. I'm the owner of Perfect Pear. We are out here at the beautiful community called Keens Point, right off of the lake. We have a customer that had a builder put down a enhancer and sealer, but it didn't last very long. As you can see, there's a lot of different color variation in the stone. And we did a spot over here to show her what we could do to her stone core. You see all this white? See the difference here? It's because an improper sealer was put down. It wasn't cleaned well, or it was something happened that didn't look right. This is a section that we did. As you can see, it's a lot brighter. This has been down for about a week or more. And we're going to come here and turn everything to that proper, beautiful, protected, luscious color that Travertine floors can have for a customer. So I will show you the after video when we are done. Right now we're in the process of cleaning the surface before we apply the impregnating sealer to protect the stone and to add beauty. And this is the solution that we put down to clean the stone. So we're just starting, and the next video will be me showing you the finished product. Hope you enjoy it. So here we are. Here we are on the after video, out here on lovely Keens Point with this beautiful dock here. Now we can see that all of the stone has been cleaned properly, has been sealed. It looks beautiful and uniform because it has been done by Perfect Pear. Remember how the other video there was such a stark color difference? And now, as you can see, it looks great. The camera's kind of giving us a little bit of play on look, but it's all uniform here. That was the stone that we did. Blends in just perfect with everything else. And now we got a wonderful looking patio that we can enjoy. Thanks for watching these two videos, and give us a call for a free estimate. We'd love to come out and talk to you and educate you a little bit on stone care. Thanks so much, and that's all for now. This is Dealing with Perfect Pear. I thought you'd be interested in seeing this after video. This is that paver job that we did back in October. We're back here to do some more work on a cement countertop that they need refinished. But here we are at the Keens Point again. But as you can see, the color is still here and alive and well. There's some weeds growing, as you can see, but the shine is still present, and there's no white stuff, which is called efflorescence, shining or coming through anywhere. It's still maintaining its color and its stability, and still looks beautiful and clean. I just wanted to show this to you. This is very easy to clean because you can't really use a product to get it off, but looks very nice. The only thing going on is some weeds. We didn't put any sand in here to help prevent weeds, but it's pretty good since October. This video is being filmed in late July, so almost a year. Alright, just thought I'd let you see this video.